very good descent rate, basically the perfect descent rate we want to see. Stabilized at 140 knots, so very nice. So you can see on the top of the screen says land, that means the airplane itself is ready for landing. Okay.
300.
Keep following flight directors. Yes, hands on first lever, be prepared. Still follow flight directors, don't let the cross go away.
100.
Nice, keep going.
Very cool.
Not yet, not yet.
40.
30. Now we pull.
20.
Yes, all the way down. Slight bit to slight bit up. Nice. So we are now touching down on the runway. So I want you to pull the thrust reverser as well. So lift these two levers up and pull all the way back. Nice. Nicely done. Very nice. So as you can see, we're slowing down on the runway. Very good.